Okay, today we are going to review this beautiful model from Hot Wheels, the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth from the J case. It's from the 80s series. Look at the side. It's beautiful shape. I like the shape. It's not exactly a sedan but a notchback. And the best part about this model, the signature of this model is this spoiler, rear spoiler. It's a huge one. It stands out. It has a central support also. This was a hallmark of the car. And in addition to this big spoiler, there's a lip spoiler as well. And you can identify this car from far. And this is best part again is this is all metal, not plastic. So feels chunky when the car is in hand. And, nice, beautiful. On the sides, let's check out. It's got twin mirrors, metal molded in, and then we have the 87 number, which is representing the year of the car. Castrol logo, which is Castrol lubricants, Bilstein shock absorbers, HW graphics, Hot Wheels graphics, and Clone or Clone, I don't know, could be some other company. And there were some stripes on the rear 3/4. There's a tiny Hot Wheels logo also over there. The wheels are lace wheels with gold chrome. Looks nice. Suits this color combination is good. There's some arrow type stripes on the roof as well. And then there's 87 on the hood, Castrol and HW graphics. Some markings for the air intake perhaps. And best part I like about the front are the headlights, which are transparent plastic part of the interior. Beautifully done. I find them better than tampos, which are sometimes misaligned. And there are no other grill markings or other marker light markings, which is fine. It's a racing car and you can't get so many details in a mainline casting. That is fine. Other side is also the same with an extra fuel tank marking. It seems the lid seems a little big and it looks like a peace sign, but nonetheless every detail counts, every little detail counts. From that, moving on to the rear, there you can see the exhaust. It looks quite neatly done. There are no taillight markings, which is fine. Okay, they have to do some level of cost cutting. They can't have tampo on all four sides, which is fine. And this is riveted here in the middle, and you can see there's a post in the middle, which again is fine. Interiors doesn't really matter as long as there's a decent set of seats and a steering wheel. And this is a closed window model, which again is okay. At least it doesn't get dusty inside. There are wiper markings over here, and the best part is I noticed there's a single wiper marking over here also. Wow, that's quite a lot of detail for a mainline casting. So there you go. This particular car won many touring car championships and races, but not rally as such, because it wasn't a four-wheel drive till 1990, I believe. And then also didn't win any rallies, but still it's a touring car championship winner car. And I would say beautiful casting by Hot Wheels. I give it 8 out of 10. In fact, I like it so much, I'll give it 8.5 out of 10, because I am into racing and rally cars. So that's about it. So guys, let me know how you like my review. And oh, I missed about the silver paint. Yeah, silver paint also looks great. on this car. So yes, please subscribe to my channel. I will be reviewing more cars soon, and that's about it. Cheers, bye.